Hey there, woodworkers! Welcome to the ultimate guide to organizing your woodworking shop. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the clutter in your woodworking shop? Do you find it hard to locate your tools and materials when you need them? Don't worry, I'm here to help you transform your space in just 3 easy steps. With a little effort, you can turn your chaotic workshop into a well-organized haven. Trust me, a well-organized shop can make all the difference in your productivity and enjoyment. Imagine being able to find everything you need quickly and easily. Step 1. Declutter and categorize. This is the foundation of a well-organized shop. Start by taking everything out of your shop. Yes, I mean everything. It might seem daunting, but it's essential to see what you have and what you can get rid of. Lay it all out and categorize your tools, materials, and supplies. Group similar items together so you can see exactly what you have. Get rid of anything you haven't used in the last year. Be ruthless. If it's just taking up space, it's time to let it go. Donate, sell, or recycle it. There are plenty of people who could benefit from the tools and materials you no longer need. Once you've decluttered, you'll be amazed at how much space you actually have. Your workshop will feel more open and inviting. Step 2. Create dedicated zones. This step is all about efficiency and workflow. Think about the different types of activities you do in your shop. Each activity should have its own dedicated space. For example, you might have a cutting zone, an assembly zone, and a finishing zone. Each zone should be equipped with the tools and materials needed for that specific task. Arrange your tools and materials so that everything you need for each task is in its own dedicated area. This will make your workflow much smoother. This will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. No more running back and forth looking for tools. Step 3. Maximize vertical space. Often we forget about the potential of our walls and ceilings. Use wall-mounted racks, shelves, and pegboards to keep your frequently used tools within easy reach. This not only saves space but also keeps your tools organized. Install cabinets or high shelves for storing less frequently used items. This way they are out of the way but still accessible when you need them. And don't forget about the ceiling. It's a great place for storing long or bulky items. Overhead storage racks are perfect for lumber and other bulky items. This keeps them out of the way but still within reach. By taking advantage of your vertical space, you'll keep your work surfaces clear and your tools organized. Bonus tip: label everything. This simple step can make a huge difference. Use labels or color-coded systems to identify where each tool belongs. This will save you time and frustration. This will help you and anyone else using your shop to put things back in the right place. Consistency is key to maintaining an organized space. It might sound simple, but labeling can make a huge difference in maintaining your organization. There you have it. A well-organized shop is within your reach. 3 easy steps to transform your woodworking shop: declutter and categorize, create dedicated zones, and maximize vertical space. Follow these steps, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Give it a try, and you'll see how much more enjoyable and efficient your woodworking can be. A well-organized shop is a happy shop. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking. Remember, a little organization goes a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more woodworking tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more great content.